don't know what you're doing with your hand.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to join me back. So today's tutorial is a natural glam Valentine's Day look, and I just wanted to do something really simple. So what I'm doing is priming my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just blending that into my eyes. And then what I'm going to do is set it with some setting powder. I don't want my shadows to move today. And when I'm doing natural looks, I usually set my eyes. I don't do that for my more dramatic looks, but when I just want it to be simple, that's when I set my eyes. So the palette that I'm using is the Profusion palette, the Siennas palette, and I'm taking that first little light orange, peach shade. I don't have the names with me right now. I didn't quite know what I wanted to do with this look, but I knew I wanted to use that palette. So I'm just taking that color and I am blending that into my crease. So as you can tell, I am so addicted to TikTok. I'm so addicted to it. But I'm taking now the next shade is more of an orange color, not more of peachy. But I'm just taking that and blending it also into my crease. And then what I'm doing now is taking that brown shade just to deepen up the colors in my crease. Add a little bit more warmth. And then I'm getting ready to cut my crease. Nothing too crazy, just something really simple. I didn't want my crease to be too crisp, so to say, because it's a natural look and I wanted everything to just be simple, not too much but not too less. So now I'm just deepening up the crease, getting rid of that line using that same brown shade that I used in my crease. And now I'm taking this pink shade, it's more like a purple, and I'm placing that and blending that into the brown shade as well. The ombre effect is just my signature thing when it comes to cutting my crease. I do that all the time. So next I'm taking this pink shimmery shade and placing that also onto my lid. It's Valentine's Day. It's a Valentine's Day look, so I need to stick to the holiday and give a little bit more color. Blow it again. Do it again. So this little yellow little girl that you all are seeing is my little cousin named Harmony. She's a mess. She is talkative and she wants to know everything that a big cousin is doing, especially when it comes to me doing my makeup. So now I'm just applying my lashes. These lashes are from Kiss. They're natural lashes, and being that it's a natural look, I need to keep everything simple, basically. I couldn't use my real lashes, but I just don't have good mascara, so I had to use natural lashes. So now I'm priming my face and getting ready for my foundation routine. I'm basically gonna speed up through this because it's the same thing that I do all the time. The main focus of this look to me was the eyes, okay? So I'm just gonna take some foundation, which is the E.L.F. Cosmetics foundation, the Flawless Finish in the shade Nutmeg. I haven't used it in a while, so I thought it would go really well with the theme of remaining natural. I didn't have to apply too much, and as you can see, it really blends in and it looks just like skin. That satin finish is really what I look for in foundations. I'm not so much of a full coverage. I used to be, But I guess I'm learning who I am now as a self-taught makeup artist. But now I'm just concealing my face with the LA Girl Pro concealers and Almond and Fawn. I mix those two together. And I'm just going to blend everything out. What the freak?
Huh?
So the ugly little dude y'all just saw is my brother. Fun fact about me, I'm the oldest of 4 children. He was feeling himself a little too much. So now I'm just setting my face and bronzing it up, and we'll be blushing up my face. I'm using blush. I love blush now, especially using eyeshadows as blush. So now I don't even have to buy blushes anymore because I just use my palettes. Okay, you feel me? And look what it did. It brought it to life. I feel that pink blush really brought the theme together. It's beautiful. And plus using that brown shade from the Zulu palette, I love using that now as a bronzer. I can't wait to use it on other people because I feel like it's a really good shade. So now I'm just spraying my face with some setting powder. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Some setting spray. Listening to music while I'm doing my makeup is very productive. So I'm taking that little shimmery shade from the palette and placing it in my inner corner. I love a good glow in my eyes. I really do. And then I'll be highlighting my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. Not too much highlighter because my skin was already glowing. That's some good moisturization right there. Good prepping. I think this is a good time for me now to mention that you all should go follow me on my social media sites at JannaW for my Snapchat, Jayana the MUA on my Instagram, and then Jayana Washington on my Facebook. Keep in touch with me. Connect with me, man. Let's stay connected. So we are coming down to the end of the look. This is it. This is the final look. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I know it's sounds like I'm kind of rushing, but this was just last minute. Please make sure that you like this video, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so you're notified of my next upload, and I'll see you all on my next one. Love ya.